All right, welcome back to Photo Finish Garage. Today we're going to be doing the blower motor. This is a part off Amazon, so we'll see first off if it's correct, second off if it works. I had pretty good reviews. I paid about $40 for that and shipped it overnight. Thought about going used, but we'll see. I might still go to the junkyard. Our blower motor's located on the passenger side area. You're gonna have 3 8s, 1, 2, and 3. So just to give yourself some room, I went ahead and took out the fuse box cover here. This will be my setup. This is just a 1/4-inch drive with a 6-inch extension. I have a little flexible adapter here for my size 8, and it's taped up just because my joint is worn out, so this thing gets to flipping around and I need it to be more controlled. So essentially, as you can see here, it's just going to be a slow process here, and I'm actually going to switch it to my gun and see if I can get it out any quicker here. I know the back one's going to be a lot more difficult, but we shall see. Let's see if we can get it here. Let's see. Might be a little too long in here. I got it on there, but okay, I'm going to have to go low tech on this one, so I'll be right back when I get it out. I want to add for the second screw back here. Didn't need that extension, so and this one, I don't even know if we can get to it without doing anything too fancy. Let's see. So this one's going to be a little bit more challenging, as you can see, unless you have a stubby size 8. It's going to be hard to get it on there. So, oh, wait. I got it. Uh-oh. Let's see. So I'm kind of just pushing. Oh, that's tightened. I'm just pushing down against this soft material to get the socket to actually get on there. And I wish that I could replicate the noise this thing is making. When I turn on the fan speed, it just sounds like this thing has a box of marbles in it. And it's not all the time. It is intermittent, but it's enough to drive you mad. So that's another thing I'm going to do, is inspect it to see what happened. So I'm going to work on getting this out, and I'll be right back. I want to show this. The tool that seems to be working the best is just a straight up 8mm wrench. If you had an 8mm ratcheting wrench, that would also be the best tool, better tool than this. So I want to show that real quick. I almost got it out. As you can see, we got a little bit longer to go, but we're almost there. All right, it is out. Let's see if this thing just finagles out. Looks like it does. It's a Ford part, so that's good. The original, let's see if I can get it to put that down. All right, so this is that part. Compare it. Some immediate differences, obviously the color. This thing has little counterweights on it, so I'm going to take those off and move them over here. This one seems nice and smooth. One thing I noticed about my old one, let's see if I can hold this. hold this steady. A lot of play in this one. And when I started to rotate it, let's see. But that's the noise. But you get the idea. That's the noise that it's making. And it's all because it's loose. So this is definitely no good. And we're going to go ahead and with our replacement. So the install is going to be, you know, clearly the exact opposite of what you just did to get it out. Again, this brand is OAW. It's on Amazon. It's clearly an aftermarket part. 40 bucks shipped. And there's the part number. You guys take care. Thanks again for watching.